What's going on guys, CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a logo. Now for this we're not going to be using Photoshop or any type of software, we're actually going to be using something known as DesignEvo. Now this is a website which is 100% free. So we're going to select make a logo for free. So before I show you how to actually use this, you'll see down right here is the pixels. So it's currently at 500 by 500. If you are making a YouTube logo, then the pixels for that is 800 by 800. Once you put that, just simply select apply and it is done. So you can see it says 800 by 800. You can change it to anything you want to from here. And from here, this is the basic layout. So on the side we have icon, text and shape. So I'll make myself a logo. So I'm going to search here and I'm going to type in video editing, since that's mainly what I show on YouTube. And you can see from here some icons have come up that I can use. So I'll select this one here and you can see just left clicking it, it drags it right here, and we can size this up and then we'll snap it to the center like this. The next thing is text. So you can see we have different type of texts here. So if I minimize this, there's bold, there's modern, traditional, handwriting and funny. So I will start off with some bold text and I'll use the first one here. And here I'm going to put CasualSavage. There we go. I'm going to size this up so you can see up here we can choose the font size, and I'll reposition all of this to here. And then I'm going to minimize this and choose a traditional font. So for this one I'm going for Roboto Slab, and again left click and then we can just simply drag this down, and here I'll simply put youtube.com/CasualSavage. Just like this, that is done. And yeah, so I'm going to move the text down a bit because now I'm going to do something else with this logo, you can say. So I'm going to come to the next one, which is shape. So from shape I'm going to be using a badge. I'll use this one right here and I'll simply size this out just like this. And now we can't see our layer underneath, so the way we see it, we come up here, select layer and send it to the back. Keep selecting back until we see our layer. And we can center this here, and now we can start changing colors. So left click one of them and you can see there's a color box up here. Let's go with a cyan. Then this box here behind it, we can change this to a gradient. We can use the first color as a black and the last color as a gray. And of course down here you can change the angle of how this is. So for example, I'll change it to 90 degrees. Or change it to 0, and that's better for me. So that's how I'm going to keep it. I'm just rushing this for the purpose of the tutorial, but of course when you do this, make sure you take your time, be a bit more creative. You can also change the text, so left click it once, you can see text color right here, so if I'll just choose this one. And then you can see here, you can choose them all uppercase or all lowercase, that's if they're not already capitalized like I've done. We can have some effects, so you can see we can have an outline or a glow, so I'll pick an outline. Here we can pick the color, I'll go with black and I'll leave it as that. So the final thing I want to do is align everything to the center, so I'm going to highlight everything and right there is the center. Now we can also change the background color if you want to, so it can just be transparent, which means this white background won't exist, it'll just be transparent, or you can have a solid color underneath, so like, again like a gradient. Completely up to you if you want that or not though. I am not going to have it, so I'm going to keep mine transparent. And that's basically it. Once you're happy with everything, you can simply select download. Now you can see it is free to download, but you can also see you must give credit by sharing DesignEvo on your social media, blog or website. So click one and then after select download and agree. From there it's downloaded. You can see it comes as a zip folder. So I'm going to right click it, select extract here. And as you'll see, we actually get two file types. We get a JPEG, which is the first one. We then get a PNG, and we also get another transparent. You can see it's in really good quality. That is complete, and it's ready to go onto YouTube. But that's how simple it is to make a logo online.